All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SV model. It's beautiful black with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's take out your tire thread, which is at 6/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty nice. Just see a heavy scratch here, about 2 inches. Boom. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here either. Check out your tire thread, which is at 6/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Push start system. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Your backup camera. Boom. AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 31,871. Looks pretty good. 2 lights. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Little button here. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, or rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper. Looks pretty decent. Your rear deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. And then I do have your owner's manuals tucked away in there. Looks good. This door looks good. It's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Double check that. Yep, we look good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim. It does have some curbing, as you can see. 3, 6, about 6 to 7 inches. Boom. Check out your tire thread. Pow. 5/32. I don't know if I showed this one. I doubt it. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. I'll say multiple. Let's check out your tire thread. Just over 7/32, it looks like. The car looks great. I forgot to turn on the lights, but they work. I've checked them myself. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Nissan Altima SV model with 31,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.